In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your HubSpot account, whether you've outgrown the platform, are simplifying your digital life, or just need a fresh start. Closing your HubSpot account can be a straightforward process. Stick with me as we walk through each step to ensure you close your account correctly. Let's begin by visiting the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com, then press enter. You'll be directed to HubSpot's main page, where you can see all of its offerings and resources. Make sure you're in the right place, looking at HubSpot's familiar branded colors and logo, because from here we'll proceed to log in. Once you've landed on the home page, locate the login button. It's usually found at the top right corner of the screen, a typical location for account access across many websites. Click on this button and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials, your email and password. Ensure you enter these details accurately to avoid login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see all your tools and resources centralized. Take a moment to familiarize yourself again with everything if it's been a while since your last visit. Our next stop is the settings section, so let's head there now. In the top navigation menu of your HubSpot dashboard, look for the settings icon. It's usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on it and you'll be redirected to your account settings page. Here, a range of options regarding your account preferences will be displayed. A good tip is to look around if you need to adjust anything else while you're on this page, but our focus today is on closing your account. Within the settings, direct your attention to the security option. You'll find this option by scrolling down the left-hand menu. Click on security, and this is where you'll access essential account management features, including security settings and user account modifications. Security is important, so it's nice to know where these options live. Towards the bottom of the security settings, you should see a link that says delete my user account. Click on this link when you are ready to proceed with account deletion. Now, before you confirm, make sure that any critical data or contacts have been backed up. Account deletion will result in losing access to everything that's stored, and it's generally irreversible. Once you've confirmed you're ready, proceed with the on-screen instructions, which will generally involve several confirmations to ensure that deletion is indeed your desired choice. And that's it. You've now successfully deleted your HubSpot account. Thank you for following along. Remember, always be careful and deliberate when deleting accounts to prevent data loss. Feel free to like and subscribe for more guides and tips. Have a great day.